Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have a very unique and interesting model to unbox today. So I ordered this just a couple days ago off of eBay for about 80 bucks, and it's a really good deal for this, and I cannot wait to get into it. This is the JC Wings 1:200 scale Qatar Airways Airbus A350-1000. Now, as you see, I already unboxed an A350-900 the other day from Qatar Airways, also by JC Wings, but this one's a little bit more unique, so we're going to get into this and take a look at it. Okay. Alright, there it is. Let's get this out. Okay, so here it is, and I'm sure you guys can see now. Actually, you can probably tell by the title. So this is actually the bare metal version, so it looks like it hasn't even been painted from the factory yet. I thought this just looked so cool, so I decided to pick this up. So it says Airbus A350-1000 1:200 scale die-cast model. Let's get this open and take a look. So this comes in flaps up and flaps down, which I never knew was a thing in models. I guess this is only a JC Wings exclusive for these kind of unpainted factory models, I guess. Okay, Jesus, that took a while. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and lift the flap here. Let's go ahead and lift this up. There it is. Wow, that looks so cool. So this one also comes with a really nice stand. Let's take a look at what we got here. So it comes with the landing gear, obviously. So what's interesting about the A350-1000, instead of having the 4 sets of 4 wheels, it has sets of 6 wheels like on the Boeing 777. So that's really cool. It also comes with the gear up configuration as well. Let's go ahead and get it out. Wow, this looks so cool. Wow, this thing is huge. So it's kind of a matte finish, this unpainted metal, and then you see the Qatar logo on the tail, and then the greenish nose, which I think looks so cool. Wow, this is really cool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the stand so we can put the landing gear on. And let's go ahead and check out the landing gear. And it should just be magnetic, just like the other ones are. Yep, they are. Okay. So here is one. Here's the other side. And then finally the nose gear. Wow, look at this, guys. Alright, so I'm going to set the stand out of the way and put this on the table here. Alright, so let's get a closer up view and take a look at this. So there's up front the green nose, like I said, and then it also has the black and white nose cone detail, which looks pretty cool. Obviously the front gear, then obviously we have the first door, the windows, the antennas and beacon lights, and then here we have the Qatar painted engines, and then up on the wing we also have the bare metal as well, and then on the wingtips is the Qatar logo. Actually, you can see it better on the other side here. And then we also have more antennas, and then on the back we have the painted tail. So I don't know if this aircraft has a registration yet or not. It doesn't look like it. But as you can see, here's the landing gear. Like I said, it looks like the 777 landing gear. The engine fan blades do spin on this, and they are very detailed, as you can see. And same goes for the other one. And here are just a couple views. Here's the front. And what's cool is that the nose gear actually pivots, which is a nice touch. So just running down the fuselage here, and take a little bit more in. So this is going to go very nicely next to my other Qatar plane. Let's go ahead and set it on the stand and see what it looks like. Very impressive. This looks great. So that is pretty much it for this unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I sure did. This thing looks absolutely incredible, and I'm so glad to have this in my collection. So thank you guys so much for watching, and take care.